At the 2025 L'Enduro exhibition, Edge Autonomy showcased its latest innovation, the Penguin C VTOL, a hybrid drone blending the advantages of fixed-wing design with vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, capabilities. Tailored for military units and security agencies, this UAV aims to deliver a versatile and autonomous solution for missions conducted in tight, contested, or infrastructure-sparse environments. Built on a flexible, open modular framework, the Penguin C VTOL enables quick customization through integration of specialized sensors or communication equipment, including tactical radios like those from Silvus. This adaptability enhances its usefulness across diverse operational requirements. Balancing endurance and maneuverability, the drone can stay airborne for over 12 hours and maintain a communication link up to 180 kilometers. It autonomously launches vertically without relying on runways, adhering to NATO Group 3/Class 1 standards, which facilitates deployment in varied theaters. The aircraft's 4.12-meter wingspan and 41 kilograms maximum takeoff weight support flight ceilings reaching 4,000 meters, cruising at speeds exceeding 30 knots with bursts up to 65 knots. In addition to its primary payload bay, the Penguin C VTOL features a secondary compartment and an emergency parachute system to safeguard the drone during unforeseen issues. Its compliant video stream conforms to MISB standards, easing integration into existing intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) networks. Moreover, the drone is equipped for voice and data relay, extending its operational communication capabilities. Deployment simplicity is a key strength. Just 2 personnel are required to assemble the system in under an hour. Its components pack into rugged containers transportable by standard vehicles or helicopters. When paired with advanced electro-optical and infrared (EO/IR) sensors, the Penguin C excels at reconnaissance tasks such as day/night tracking, surveillance, and moving target identification. Edge Autonomy emerged in 2022 through the fusion of UAV Factory, a Latvia-based pioneer since 2009, and Jennings Aeronautics. The company now operates from sites in Latvia, California, and Virginia, producing a suite of lightweight UAVs, payloads, and autonomous energy solutions. The Penguin C complements other products like the electric Penguin B and the Penguin B VTOL variant. Institutional validation arrived with a 2022 contract awarded by the U.S. Department of Defense for an undisclosed number of Penguin units. Though its profile might recall the larger Bayraktar TB2 drone, the Penguin C occupies a unique space with its smaller footprint and heightened tactical flexibility, maintaining endurance comparable to bigger platforms. With customers spanning over 40 nations, Edge Autonomy's offerings illustrate the rising global appetite for modular, mid-sized ISR systems that can adapt swiftly to both battlefield demands and homeland security roles.